Now let's catch some fish.
Hey everybody, welcome to the South Wisconsin Family Fishing Channel. Today I got a really good video. This is from May 18th, 2025, yesterday, but I don't really know what the date is as you're watching this. A multi-species day, and some kind of weird things going on with some of the fish. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the video.
Come on, take it. You did not. Oh my. You got some weight. And you're a jumper. I don't know what this is. I just cast. Just cast. Oh my. Oh. Oh. No, Smalley. Smalley. Look at that. All right, everybody. First fish of the day. A Microtarius dolomu, better known as a smallmouth bass, is 17.5 inches. What a beautiful specimen. Look at the coloring on the head. And he was a good fighter. On that note, let's let him go.
Fish on. Ugh. A little bit of a head shaker. Oh. Freshwater Drum. All right, everybody, this is my first fish of the day. An Aspaditas apple noditas grunions, known as a freshwater drum. Let's let her go.
What a day, man. Definitely catching fish. We got sturgeon, we got smallmouth bass, we got freshwater drum. I mean, you couldn't ask for more, so let's see if we catch some more.
Bite. Oh, man. He got off. Did you get one, Deej?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, why don't you step into the camera?
Wait, wait. Not too long. Oh, yep, it's done. Oh, yeah.
Okay, why don't you turn this way? Come over and turn this way. There you go. That way they can see you. There you go, buddy. Yeah.
Yep.
Yep, you got a baby.
I got a baby. I told him to
We did. I'll recast this one now. I had that one bite.
It's just called an apple-nodated grunion, also known as a freshwater drum. Just a big.
Okay, now walk up and show us. Some cameras. There you go.
There.
There you go.
Let him go.
You know, people ask me, what's it like fishing with Mrs.Swff? Well, it's like this.
More so
Stay
Sundays.
tuned for more burps. Hey, Joshua. Hello, everyone. Anytime. Apple no need is grunion. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. There's no manners here.
Nope.
Fish on. Sturgeon. All right, everybody, second fish for me today. A lake sturgeon, better known as an Accipenser fulvensis. He got banged up on the head. Poor guy. Well, let's let him go so he can heal. Gotcha. Fish on. Fish on. Well, this has to be probably the smallest grunion I've ever caught. All right, third fish of the day for me, this gigantic freshwater drum. Appledenotus grunion. Yeah, he's just huge. I mean, if you put it like this, like, oh my God, look how big he is. But, you know, he's a baby. Let's let him grow up now. Gotcha, fish on. Fish on, guys. Walleye. A little walleye, definitely a multi-species day. All right, everybody, fourth fish of the day, Sandervitris, better known as a walleye, a little guy. So on that note, let's let him go. That way he can grow up. Well, everybody, what a productive day today. It was kind of a multi-species today. We caught smallmouth bass. We caught freshwater drum. We caught walleye. And then we even caught a sturgeon today. So I think that was pretty productive. Thanks for watching us today. We have memberships coming and super stickers within the week. Keep a check out for that and consider becoming a member of the channel. We appreciate it. We hope you have a great day. And on that note, keep your lines tight.
So, looking for more fish videos? Check out these. You got a selection. You got bass or you got sturgeon. You pick.